Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to the post-market update. We saw the selling happening in today's Indian equity markets, where we saw selling pressure in majority of the frontline stocks, including Reliance Industries, ITC, Tata Motors, ICICI Bank, and Bharti Airtel, where there were pressure on these stocks. The only stock which outperformed in today's market was Larsen & Toubro, which gained around 1.5% in today's trade. The overall Sensex closed down by around 130 points to close at around 17,489, whereas Nifty fell around 40 points to close at around 5,306. HDFC Limited came out with the results. The results were a bit lower than the expectations, where the PAT came at around 1,001 crore, as again expectations of around 1,040 crores. And we saw the stock closing almost on a flat note. On the other stocks, Cipla and Maruti also lost ground around 1% each. There was a huge volatility in Infosys in today's trade, where we saw the stock touching around 2,500 on the day's high, and then closing around 2,452 ahead of the results, which are likely to come out tomorrow in the morning. And also there are rumors that there could be a buyback in the stock, so there is a lot of volatility in the stock. Also, on the other announcement in the morning, that SEBI has granted the MCX SX the equity trading license, where MCX had opened around 6 to 7% up in today's morning trade, whereas it lost momentum at the end of the day, and it closed down by around 2%. However, the financial technology closed up by around 3%. In the second line shares, we saw Kingfisher Airlines, which was down around 7% to close around 10 rupees and 25 paise. And on the other sector update, we saw capital goods sector outperform in today's trades, which was in the positive territory, and whereas FMCG and the auto sector were on the losing side. On the top gainers front, we saw Larsen & Toubro, NTPC, Coal India, and the top losers in today's trade were Hindalco, Sterlite, Wipro, and Tata Motors. The rupee was trading at around 55.39, and which remained almost unchanged as to the yesterday's level. Friends, going ahead, I think so that the market will be now watching towards the results of Infosys and TCS, the two big IT majors, which will announce the result tomorrow. And also the IIP numbers are likely to come out tomorrow, where the expectation built up is around 1.8. So looking forward to those numbers, and have a nice day going ahead. Thank you.